Okay, so when you really think about it, everything in life is limited edition. Nothing is in print forever, right? And no book, TV show, movie, video game, etc. is endlessly coming out and endlessly available except for in the digital space, right? So for example, you have my special edition copy of Final Fantasy XIV Online, which comes with the base game and the first expansion pack, Heaven Sword, right? Limited time only. They don't make this anymore. Even more so, you have my limited edition physical run copy of Final Fantasy XIV's online expansion pack, Shadowbringers. They don't even make the physical expansion packs for 14 online anymore. That being said, what happens when you create something with the artificial scarcity in mind that this product is going to be limited edition while supplies last, you may say? And that's just for anything, right? But especially those particularly limited special editions of things and products, etc. Obviously, collecting themed hoarding has been around for a very long time. I do it, you do it, your grandma, your sister, your uncle probably do it. Like other forms of entertainment or mediums such as books, laserdisc, DVDs, etc., there tends to be a much larger market for collectors, limited, and deluxe editions in the video game market than anything else. The only reason I can think as to why this is mainly because there's a lot of accessories and other parts that go into a game. You have the game, the manual, player's guide, you have your keyboard, your mouse, your controller, your chat headset, etc. You don't need all this shit when you're reading a book. You don't need it when you're watching a Laserdisc or a Blu-ray. Why I keep using Laserdisc as an example is beyond me. That's some geriatric shit. All that aside, the first recorded collector's and or limited edition of a video game would be Myst Desktop Edition, released September 23rd, 1993. It's the same old Myst, that bitch look foggy like Silent Hill. I've never played it. I would assume it's foggy like Silent Hill, but it has a different border. It's a little bit fancier than the traditional version of Myst. So for the most part, most special and or limited releases are commemorative. They have to have a certain weight or prestige to them to be a limited edition, right? Or at least to have earned the right to have a limited edition. Often, Sony's first-party studio releases get special editions, like Spider-Man. Though being the first in the franchise, it is a major landmark on the console, thus they put the additional marketing and advertising budget behind it to give it a special edition release, as well as a special limited console variation. You even see this with unestablished franchises like Halo being one of the few special edition console variants for the original Xbox, and most oftentimes these special edition consoles or console variants are available in most major retailers. Other times, these special edition console variations and limited edition releases are designed as prizes for you to power level on your friends and family. Like for example, they have a limited edition Mountain Dew Xbox, right? Oh, you're a real Dewhead? You vote in democracy every year? Well, do I have a product for you? Do you have the Mountain Dew Xbox? No, you don't, because you're a fake fucking Dewhead. You're not doing that shit. To be a Dewhead who owns a Mountain Dew Xbox, one had to drink over 500 bottles of the Mountain Dew. That way, they could get the Mountain Dew rewards points and then cash in those points for the beautiful coveted Dew box. So the reason why I started with the DEW box is because as a prize variation special edition console, it throws a huge loop in the idea of what a special edition or limited edition console can be. Because oftentimes there are many a prize release special edition console, but what makes the DEW box different than other special edition prize versions of consoles is that it is OEM hardware, meaning original equipment manufacturer. It's a nerd and geek term that people like to throw around, meaning that the DEW box is officially made, licensed, and marketed with Microsoft in mind, right? Or it's partnered and designed with Microsoft. Unlike a lot of prize release special edition consoles that you'll see when you pull up special edition Xbox console, special edition PlayStation console, when you Google that shit, you'll see a lot of like charity edition consoles and editions of consoles that, yeah, they are special and limited time releases that they were given away as prizes, but usually the only difference between, let's say, a special edition Conker's Live and Reloaded Xbox, which yes is counted on limited edition console releases.com, consolemods.org. Limited edition Conker's Live and Reloaded console was just a regular black Xbox that somebody decided to airbrush on top of. This is like letting your 6-year-old take some fucking crayons to your PS5. Yeah, it's limited edition, it's one of one, but it's not OEM, right? Cool about limited edition and special variation consoles is that marketing and advertising comes into it, meaning that people in good old fucking maple syrup land up north got completely different special edition Xboxes than we did in hamburger land, and those people overseas in Japan got completely different Xbox variations and special edition bundles than we did in hamburger land. For example, if you were a resident of Maple Syrup Land, you ended up getting the special edition Crimson Skies and Fable console Crystal Edition Xbox bundle. But we here in Hamburger Land ended up getting nothing. There's no Crystal Xboxes that released in the United States other than the Crystal Green one. What I find so funny about special edition and variant edition Xbox consoles is that for how big and how marketed towards the American demographic the console was, so many of the special and limited edition variations of the console never even made it to the States. Like, once again, Maple Syrup Land, Canada, got a special edition Halo 2 bundle of the console, the same console that is, or at least the same plastic, that is used in the special edition Dead or Alive Ultimate version of the console, neither of which made it to the States. A little antidote that I promise you on me, because I hate saying on my mama, but on me like is 100% true. I had a friend growing up whose dad worked for Microsoft. So I'm going to change the name of the kid who I'm going to mention in this story just for his own privacy. First initial T, last initial S. If you know me, you can bet this story. If you don't know me, you're just going to have to believe me when I say this. So going through like the limited edition Xboxes on me, I remember seeing a fucking orange Xbox at their crib. Why is this? Because T's dad worked for Microsoft. His whole fucking house was hooked up to LAN. It was how I used to play Warcraft. It was my introduction to LAN and Warcraft as a kid. But also, they had a fucking Xbox in every single fucking room. Not the bathroom, but damn, they might have if they really wanted to. Me, T had every color of Xbox in his crib, bro. I didn't even know they made the Halo Xbox, right? They had the Halo Xbox, but they also had the Mountain Dew Xbox. But they also had one of the rarest, apparently, one of 3 prototype edition orange Xboxes in their crib. Not the orange on the top, black on the bottom. That shit was fully fucking orange, I swear on me, bro. It was in their fucking front room, bro. We used to sit there and we would play Halo 2 on LAN on that bitch, bro. Because it was the one that I always wanted to hop on, because they had that one in the front room and the Mountain Dew one. You can vet this story if you know me IRL and if you know who I'm talking about. Alright, so now it's time to talk about the most interesting and unique special edition original Xbox that exists, aka the Kitty Box. Now, why is the Kitty Box so interesting, coveted, and unique? Well, first off, it's a crystal Xbox with Hello Kitty on it. That's pretty fucking sick in and of itself. But when purchased a Kitty Box was so complicated, you'd probably have an easier chance summoning a demon from another world than you were to purchase a Kitty Box. Eligible to even have been able to purchase, right? Be granted, bequeathed the ability to purchase a Kitty Box, you had already had needed to purchase a TV that cost $5,000. Then you would have to have spent another $500 to buy the Kitty Box. Box that we ended up getting wasn't even the original design for said Kitty Box. It was originally designed to have a pink crystal jewel case and a special edition controller with it, but it was canceled at the last minute. Because of the expensive buy-in that one needed to even be eligible to buy the Kitty Box, there's only about 550 of these in existence, making it the rarest original Xbox console. It's super cool for a multitude of reasons, mainly the fact that it has that special Hello Kitty overlay on the X embossment of the console itself, being the only original Xbox special or regular edition to really build a design around the embossed X motif. If you didn't know, here's a little nerd and geek fact for you to power level on your friends. The original prototype design for the Xbox was an actual fucking X, direct Xbox. In a world, there's a contemporary urban society in which we exist. There's a day-to-day life here that's so... But oh, here comes this fucking creature ripping up my screen. Damn it, Jeff. Bro, can we get this fucking creature? I'm trying to do my fucking oh my god. Okay, so this is Christine. She's the protagonist of this film. In a contemporary urban society, it gets a little dangerous. Killers on the loose. Now she's in the woods. She don't know where to go. She's looking for her cousin Kevin, bro. Is that Kevin? I don't know, but there's witches. Watch out. There's a cabin. It's a horror movie. You know how it goes, bro. You're just like Christine. That's the beast. You better watch out, bro. Oh shit, here she goes, jumping out the window on some bullshit, but she got a hatchet, bro. Can she defeat the beast? But Christine's getting possessed, bro. What is she possessed by, bro? On television, she's your local news anchor. She could be just like this fucking creature, bro. Oh my god. Okay, they call this shit the Howling, bro. You better watch out, because the Howling is coming soon to theaters. Bro, the creature blew up my fucking television. Bro, I haven't even gotten to the damn games yet. I'm still over here talking about the damn play apparatuses, play boxes, bro. You know, the consoles themselves. Stop. Okay, let's talk about the Reebox. Pause. Okay, the Evil Box. That doesn't sound good either. The Resident Evil 5 Xbox.
Resident Evil 5.
It's red, just like the Resident Evil Code Veronica Dreamcast, and it's transparent. Damn, the best looking Dreamcast for the best Resident Evil game. I think this is a good time to transition into our next special edition console, the Gucci Box. Why don't you get you a Gucci box to go with your Gucci lifestyle? Double G monogram embossed onto the console. Can't even front, this shit fly as hell. Listen, I love me a little bit of luxury, right? But like, this is too much. This is really for the people who make them poor financial decisions, boy. I'm talking about some which way Jedi. You want a Gucci box or you want a Toyota MR2 gently used with a alright condition interior? Choice is yours, modern man. $10,000 just to play Skate 3 couldn't be me. Something, when you really think about it, all video games are rare. I don't know. This is the end of the video. Thank you for taking time out of your day to spend some time with me in this damn neo-noir ass lighting. I am greatly appreciated. I hope you learned a little something. I don't know. That's a little too earnest for my cup of tea. Have a nice one. Thank you for listening. Bye.
Slow down, grab the ball, wiggle like you tryna make your hips fall off.